Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. So I wanted to take a minute to react to some of my own short videos here. So to the side, you can see this individual patient is walking on what we call the Cybex arc trainer. It's kind of like an elliptical. It's kind of like a Stairmaster. It's really a combination of the two. The legs or the feet, the pedals go in an arcing motion. So they don't do a full ellipse like an elliptical, and they don't go vertical like a Stairmaster. They arc in this front to back motion. I have found over the years that patients from literally 24 hours post-op total knee replacement respond really well to walking on a device like this. It's easier to do than the bicycle, recumbent bike or stationary bike. We have a seated version called the QB. You've probably seen it in some of my videos. It's a home model that people could use. Some of you have used something called a new step, which again is a seated kind of elliptical arc trainer kind of activity. But since the goal for most people after a total knee replacement is to get back on your feet, get walking again, and get active, I love the arc trainer as the #1 go-to right after your knee replacement. Let me know if you guys have any questions.